These large nests belong to the bald-faced or white-faced hornet. There are many names for these wasps that cover North America, but only one bad reputation. The reputation is well deserved, as there can be more than 500 wasps in a colony, and they vigorously defend the nests by repeatedly stinging. They can also squirt their venom into the eyes of victims, causing temporary blindness. Not a good thing. The nests usually hang from trees, but can be built on the sides of a building. The nests are made from chewed up wood and saliva. You'll often see wasps of several different species eating the wood off of fences and wooden furniture, leaving a different appearance to the wood. The single female overwinters and starts the colony fresh in the spring. She lays eggs that hatch in a week. The larval stage lasts a week, and the wasp matures into a worker in another week. After this foundational stage, the queen devotes her attention to laying more eggs, while the workers create the interior cells and outer walls of the nest and bring back food for the larvae. The larvae are fed a variety of insects, caterpillars, and spiders, making these wasps a beneficial species for most gardeners. After a few months of colony growth, males and new queens are raised to begin the process over again. All of the colony except the new queens will die when the weather turns cold and the food sources disappear. The new queens will spend the winter in a shelter location, such as in a hollow tree. If you can find the nest early in the spring, you can kill the wasps long before there are hundreds of wasps. This is true for yellow jackets and other wasp species as well. The earlier you kill the nest, the fewer there will be. But in so doing, you're also reducing the population of a beneficial insect that will help reduce the population of spiders and caterpillars that you otherwise might use a chemical pesticide to treat. If the nest is in a location where it's not likely to be disturbed, then just leave it alone. You've got this little nest here that was overhanging a swimming pool and in a patio area where obviously it couldn't stay, so this little nest had to be removed. The interior of the nest looks a lot like a beehive. It's got the same kind of cell arrangement, and only instead of being made out of wax, it's made out of paper. There are several different layers inside that keep the nesting area cool. Each of these different openings vents areas up to the top, so it's got a nice air-conditioned venting system that goes up through it. And you can see all these different colored stripes that are on here. Each of those is from a different source of wood, and you can see repeating patterns, so the same wasp went back to the same source of wood and came back, and each one of these lines is a separate incident of the different wasps laying, they're not laying, but eating the wood off of a fence or a piece of outdoor furniture, and then coming back and putting it onto the nest. And this is Jeff with a Greener View. Thanks for watching.